hithanhdotcom, and in this video we are going to connect our domain with systeme.io. So first of all, you need to buy one domain, and I highly recommend that you buy a domain from Namecheap. And for the domain name, I suggest that you should buy the one with .com. And if you want to get a discount, I got one for you. It costs only around less than $6, and I put the discount link in the description below. So once you log in your Namecheap account, you can go to your domain list, and here you can find your list of domain, and then you need to choose your domain and you click on manage. And in my case here, I choose my hithanhdotcom manage. And in this part, you are going to click on Advanced DNS. Just leave it there, alright? Here will be the part that we are going to use. You can remove this part. Yes. No redirect record. Okay. And now you go back to your systeme.io, and you will click on this profile here to find settings part. And after that, scroll way down to custom domains. And now you will need to add your domain. You can click on this link to see an instruction on how you can do that. It will have step-by-step tutorial over here. So first of all, we need to put our domain name in this form, okay? So you need to make sure that you have www.yourdomainname.com. So in my case, it is like this. Then hit save. Okay, here we go to the DNS configuration, and you can see here is the instruction. Now look at this. This is important. If you don't follow this, you can get it wrong and it will not be active. You see the red line over here, right? It before the dot, and the same one go for this host. It before the dots. For the value, we will copy them all with the dot, and the same go for this one with the dot at the end. You get this? Okay, so now go back to our configuration. First of all, copy www without the dot, okay? And you go back to Namecheap, add a new record. Then you choose CNAME record. For the host, paste it in. And for this part, you will copy them all with the dots. Go back here, put on target, and you need to click on this green check over here. Okay. The second thing, just copy this part before the dot, okay? Before the dot, copy that one. Go here, add a new record, the same thing, CNAME record. For the host, paste it in, and for the target part, copy all of these. All right, and now paste it in, then click on the check. Done. Okay, and now we can test this part. You go to dnschecker.org. And in this part, you're gonna type in www. The domain name that we just put in. This will check if your propagation is working. Search. As you can see all the green checks here, that means it is working perfectly. The DNS has been propagated already. And now we move to the last pass. Okay, so this one is to redirection. As you can see, we need to add an alias record over here. As you see, for the host, we put @ and for the value, we will copy all of these with the dot at the end. All right. So now go back to our instruction over here, and you need to copy this part. Copy, and go back here. Now you need to add a new record, and you need to choose the alias record. Host, you type in @, and for the target, just paste this in, and then you click on this green check. Okay, and after that we are done. With all the steps that I have shared with you, you can just follow and you can see here it is ready to use. It's active already, right? And now I also want to share with you how you can connect your domain name with your funnels. So simply go to your funnels over here. And then, for example, I choose this funnel. And in here, you will see your funnel settings. In this part, you will see your funnel domain. Just click on this drop down button and you will see your domain name. And here I choose my domain name here and then I hit save. And for each steps in the funnel, you can choose different redirect link over here. Okay, for example, for the first one, it named Pinky Bio. And if you click on view funnel step over here, you will see the Pinky Bio over here. And you actually can go to my domain name here so that you will see it for yourself. So that's it. It's really easy. If you have any questions so far, feel free to DM me. And this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom. Thank you for watching and bye bye.